This rice and turmeric face mask is fade dark spot for thousands of women, but most people are using it in a wrong way. If you try turmeric mask before and if you are not seeing any glowing, no changes, your dark spot is not removing, it's still the same, it means you are not using it in the right way. No changes from your face, no anything, it's still like that. Please stay tuned and watch to the end because I'm going to show you exactly how you can apply it to your face and get the maximum result from it. Get out of your dark spots, your acne, your sun damaging. Everything is going to be perfect for you. So please stay tuned and we'll make together. Right now I wash my rice already. I put my rice into my pot, so I'm going to boil the rice, overcook it. I'm going to make it overcook. So after it's overcooked, what do you need to do? You have to put the rice aside off your fire, put it aside to get cool. So after that I put inside my blender. The next thing is I'm going to strain it. So after straining it, please make sure that with the sieve that you are going to strain it, the particles will not be part of it, because sometimes also that's the most the first number one of mistake people are doing. The mask is not smooth enough for them, for them to use it. So please make sure your mask, you get something tiny hole to strain it. So after, my first ingredient I'm adding is honey. I added 1 tablespoon of honey, and now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my lemon. So rice, as we all know, rice is contain natural brightening complex. And also it's help for the even skin tones. It will make your skin get brighten, get smoothing, and get out of your dark spot if you have dark spot or dark mark or stand damage from your face. Any part of your body that you feel that you have some dark and you are feeling uncomfortable, try to applying this thing because it's going to help you. But how you have to apply, please stay tuned with me because I will teach you how the best way that you can apply it, because most of people using it but they are not getting benefit because they are using it in the wrong way. That's the problem. So now after add my lemon into it, our next ingredient I'm going to add is going to be my turmeric. You can see that I just use my quarter teaspoon that I have, or half teaspoon. I have half teaspoon, so always that one I'm using to add my turmeric powder, because turmeric is having long way to go, so you don't need to pour everything inside. Turmeric also, why adding the turmeric is reducing inflammation and also dark pigmentation and helping to glow, brighten, golden color from you, and also fair your dark spots. That's the one that we even want more. It will fair your dark spot and also give you a golden color. So turmeric is it's one of the powerful natural ingredient when it's come to darken or fading your dark spot. So turmeric is very powerful. So please, it's very powerful and it's very helpful, but it depends on how you are going to apply it or how you are going to use it. Because when you see people are using turmeric, it can work for them, but for you, you may use it and you did not get any benefit from it. Why did I say that? Because if you don't use it in the right way, you are going to you are not going to get the benefit. Always use it to balance your face very well. Make sure that before you apply this mask, even you have to wash your face. If you have like face mask, I say face mask, sorry, makeup, if you have makeup in your face, make sure to wash your makeup, clean it very well. Make sure you clean your face, there is no any makeup in your face before applying this face mask. Also, if you have like oil, if you know that you just barb, you went out in a car, oil is in your face, always try to wash your face thoroughly and take one tissue or your towel to wipe the water from your face before apply this. Don't apply it into your dirty skin. Always make sure to wash your face. As you guys see, wash it and clean it. The mistake number one people are doing, applying it on the dirty skin. That is very bad, because if you want this thing to work for you and you are applying in your dirty skin, it's not going to work. The mistake number two people are doing is thinking that if they leave it too much long, that one is going to work. This thing, when you apply, please use don't don't keep it too much long. Actually 15 to 20 minutes is okay. Even if you don't have time, 10 minutes even is okay. You can go and wash it. Now I'm going to give myself like 15 minutes, so 15 minutes later I'm going to come back. So mistake number 3 that people usually do, and they are not getting any benefit from this thing, because they are doing it every single day, which is not good. So these 3 mistakes, you don't need to overdo it. Also, don't do it every day because you want to get you want the result, and don't do it and keep it for long because you want to get the benefit. And don't make it to your face while your face is in dirty. Always make sure to clean your face before applying it. Guys, sorry, my daughter, when I'm just doing things, she's not coming. It's itching her. She says she also want to come. So, I have to just get, take her, pamper her small before put her back and down and continue my work again. So that's it. My people, please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. This thing, please try to do it at least 2 times in a week or 3 times. At least if you say over, you do it over, then 3 times a week is okay, or you make it 2 times in a week. That's the good time, okay, for you to use it that way. And don't make it like after you wash your face, make sure to get your moisturizing butter or any oil that you are using, moisturizing cream to moisturize your face. And if you are using some cream that is having problem for you, please don't use it again. And this thing, please, if you have sensitive skin or asthma or breakout skin, or your skin is activating acne, so please always make sure to make some patches test before apply complete into your face, because our skins are different. It can happen that I can apply it, there's no any problem, but for you can apply it to your skin or your face and you have more damaging. So please, I'm begging you, you should make patches test before you use it. Bye bye. Please subscribe and like.